Greetings and welcome to the low mid budget watch report. And today I'm going to talk about the three worst watches I unboxed this year. And I'm going to start from the bottom of the list. I'm going to start with number 3, not the worst unboxing, but the third worst unboxing. Well, number 3 is the Patek Aquanaut Homage by Specht and Sone. The watch isn't too bad. It's a normal quartz watch from China. It works. But why would you walk around with a Patek Philippe Homage? It really looks like a Aquanaut, but I don't get I don't get it. It's a funny watch to buy and maybe show to your friends. And look, I got this Patek. Oh, it's a Specht and Sone. But it's a very weird name, by the way. I don't know, but it's Chinese made it up. So Specht and Sone. Maybe it will become a brand in the future. A real making real own designs or something. But why would you walk around with a homage to Patek Philippe? It only looks stupid to the people that can see that it's not a Patek Philippe, and the people who believes it's a Patek Philippe will probably try to rob you on this $45 watch or whatever it was. But it's well made, so it's not the worst unboxed watch this year. But it's a very strange watch. Homages are very strange, I think. I don't know. I'm not into Patek Philippe, or I know I can never afford a Patek Philippe, so this is maybe the closest I'll get to a Patek Philippe looking kind of watch. Well, it was very cheap, so it's not the worst unboxing, and it works. So, well, it's only number 3 on this list. Well, let's get to the number 2 worst watch I unboxed this year. Well, number 2 is a Paul Rich lookalike. And as you know, Paul Rich is one of the shittiest brand, according to me, that you can buy for a lot of money. But this brand that is number 2 on my list is also a shitty brand, but it doesn't cost too much. It is very cheap. I think I bought this for I don't remember, but I think $30 or something. And it is the watch that is named after a man bikini, the mankini. The bikini for man is the mankini, and this watch brand is also a mankini. So it wears like it would wear like a man bra. It looks like this. It's not very super ugly watch. I kind of like this frosting stuff that also the Paul Rich watches has. Maybe I will buy a Paul Rich when it's under $100. I probably will buy a Paul Rich for under $100. Yes, but this watch is only around $30, I think, and it doesn't tell the time. It just ticks, and the time is like random. It works. You can see the seconds. I don't even know if the seconds are real seconds, but I don't know what type of quartz movement this watch has, but I haven't opened it. It's a pull off case back, and I just don't want to waste time opening this watch. Maybe I'll do it in the future, but the time is totally random. You can set the time and the next day it's like way off. So it doesn't even tell the time. So it's a very, very stupid watch. But if you maybe if you take this to a party, it can be a funny watch. Look, this is the type of watch maybe gangster rappers could wear. Yes, the frosted watch that doesn't tell the time. It's like a cheap bracelet. Just well, this is the number 2 on my list, and I don't have anything more to say about this. It's the mankini. It's the man bikini watch. If you wear this, you may also wear a mankini, because it is a mankini. Well, let's get to the winner of the worst unboxed watch this year. The absolutely disgrace of all watches I unboxed this year. The very, 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 very stupid. I don't want to use any bad language, but I really hate this watch company right now. Maybe I'll change my mind later. Maybe I'll just had the worst luck in the world. I do not know. But let's get to the number 1 of bad unboxings this year. And the worst watch this year goes to the famous China brand that rhymes with the Lamborghini. It's the Pagini design that I actually bought from the company Pagini. And this is the first watch I ever bought that was totally dead, and I couldn't fix it even. To be honest, I haven't opened the watch, so maybe I could fix this, but it was very hard to open even with this. I tried to open this and then I felt like I just don't have the time for this. I bought this for $50 on the sale, on the Pagini design sale before Christmas. And I think, okay, it's a cheap watch. Maybe it will break after a few months. Maybe it's just a shitty watch telling the time. But it wasn't even working from the beginning. It was a shit watch. And I took a picture to them and I told them, I didn't write yo, but I said, this watch doesn't work. And they said, send us a movie or a video clip of the watch that it doesn't work. And I sent them a video clip, and then they said, send it back to us in China or whatever they are located. And then I was just like, what the hell? It's a $50 watch on sale. I don't have the time to send it back, and I was so angry with it before I was asked to send it back, so I actually broke the straps on it. And I hate when you buy a watch and from the beginning it doesn't work. That never happened to me before. It's the first time. Maybe I'm overreacting or something, but it's just that I bought it from the actual company Pagani Design. So I figured they don't want to hand out broken watches. So it's just bad service. I hate bad service. I don't care if the watch is cheap or expensive. If the watch is broken from the beginning, it's shitty, shit. I do not like it. Maybe you'll tell me like this, but It's such a cheap watch. You should send it back and you'll get a new one. And yeah, but it's bad service. I don't like it. I don't like taking that risk to buy a broke watch. I will never buy another watch from the Pagani design, the Pagani design, or the Pagani design. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it is my hate object now. I really hate this watch. I hate it. It's a beautiful watch, but I hate it. And the only good thing about the Pagani design watch is that I got this little blanket so I can clean my other watches or shoes or whatever. But yeah, that's the worst watch I unboxed this year. The number uno of bad watches. And that's it for now. Peace.